You're watching EDS TV. Traffic on the right seemed to be moving very fast, unlike the left. The camera stopped to help and provided dashcam footage for the people involved.
Without the judgment and join the judgment-free zone.
Boom! Must be a rookie New York City cab driver. Most of them don't use turn signals, just do what they want. They are super lucky they were just pushed off the road. If that impact had been on a different angle, it could have gone down a lot worse. That idiot could have easily killed someone. If only there were multiple highway signs alerting drivers for the previous 2 miles. Unfortunately, the camera's insurance thinks this is his fault. I'm baffled how they think someone behind the camera has the right of way. If I were the camera, this needs to go through arbitration. Before this footage, he also ran a left turn red, which the camera's dashcam didn't catch due to an angle issue. Careless as can be. I know some might say that the camera was going fast, but no way. That dude didn't even signal. Literally, they didn't even look. Almost looked intentional on their part. For those unfamiliar with the George Washington Bridge area, the express and local lanes rejoin 2 to 3 miles down the road, making this extra idiotic. A pickup truck suddenly pulls out into traffic and an SUV hits it. He had plenty of time to clear the intersection before the camera entered it. The fact that he didn't do that, but then began his turn anyway when the camera was there, makes him an idiot. Surprisingly, there was no damage, just footprints on the camera's car. I'm honestly not sure what that dude's problem was. The camera thought he was going to turn left, but they just kept on coming. If the camera hadn't taken the shoulder, that would have been a very, very close call. What an easy way to get shot. I've seen people get whacked for less. I'd bet any money his hand was absolutely searing in pain seconds after that mirror slap. That pain alone sent him right back in that car. That's a great way to get a flat. All kinds of sharp, penetrating objects live on the shoulders. I got mesmerized by the sunrise and just totally forgot there was an accident brewing. It looks like someone's day definitely got ruined. That driver definitely has a doorway problem. Commit or don't, and they would have been fine. Pick neither, and you get this. This is time to add uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage to your insurance policy, especially if you have full coverage. It protects you from hit and runs like this, especially like this one.
To the dentist.
So this is happening.
Don't you back up. What's all that smoke coming from? A fire! What's all that smoke coming from? What's all that smoke coming from? I can't see the other side.
They were establishing dominance doing a burnout. Let him do it. Let him pop his tires and learn the lesson the hard way. The other guy must be blind, driving straight at a car with either signal or hazards on, can't really tell, and having to swerve at the last second. I feel really bad for the camera. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.